Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for those ones who are showing their support by subscribing to my channel, and if you have not, kindly take a few seconds to subscribe. Today we are going to look at a simple but a tricky problem on Leetcode. It's called palindrome number. So if we are given an integer x, we are supposed to return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So as you can see, 121 is a palindrome because if you read it from left to right, it will be the same as when you read it from right to left. But 121 it's not, and this is a very good example here they have given us to show us that any negative number it's going to return false, because when you read from left to right it will start with a minus, but when you read from right to left it will end with a minus. Therefore it's not 10. Obviously it's not a palindrome. So I have a quick solution here to show you. This one is when you convert it to a string, and with the help of a string builder you can be able to reverse it and compare the original string with the reversed string, and if they are equal, then you know the number was a palindrome. But there is one follow-up statement here which says, could you solve it without converting the integer to a string? So let's try that. Remember, if a number is negative, so we return false. So we can say if x is less than 0, we return false. From there, we don't need to do anything. Then I'm going to say int temp equals to x. I want to keep my original number so that I can use it later. Then I'm going to say int reversed number, it's going to be equal to 0 to start with, and then I will say while temp is greater than 0, my reversed number is equal to my reversed number multiplied by 10 plus my temporary number modulus 10. Then my temporary number is going to be equal to my temporary number dividing 10. Return reversed number is equal to x. So this is the solution, and what's going to happen is, let's assume my x is equal to 121. So my temp becomes also 121, and my reversed number initially is equal to 0 before we enter the loop. And here in the loop, as you can see, 121 of course is going to be greater than 0. Therefore reversed is going to be 0 times 10, which is equal to 0, plus temp, which is 121 modulus 10. 121 modulus 10 is 1. So my reversed value gets a 1 there. And of course we come here and we say temp is equal to temp dividing 10, which makes it 12. Next iteration, 12 is greater than 0. Then here, remember, we have a 1 times 10, that becomes 10 plus 12 modulus 10. So it is 10 plus a 2, which we are getting from this expression. So this becomes 12. And then temp is equal to temp divided by 10, which becomes 1. 1 is greater than 0. And here it is 12 times 10, which becomes 120. And 120 plus 1 modulus 10, it is 121. And then temp dividing 10, you get a 0. Therefore our loop stops, and then we now compare our reversed value if it's equal to our original x, and if that is the case, we return true otherwise will turn false. So let's see if that works. Accepted. So let's submit it. Great, this works. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have liked this video, please give me thumbs up and give me your feedback on the comment section. And for those who have not subscribed, please take a few seconds to subscribe, and thank you so much. See you in the next video.